Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9, and today I'll show you how you can insert SD card into this device. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which will come provided with the device. Once you have that, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the, hold it I guess normally like a kind of like a phone, top left side of the device. From here, push it in. That for some reason went a little bit too deep. There we go. And as you can see, you can pull out your tray. On the tray you have space for just a single SD card. So place it on here. And carefully insert it back into your device. And the card should start working without any additional steps, which it does. You can see right here we have a notification regarding, there we go, SD card inserted. So it is detecting it. So there we go, that's it. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.